Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to interact with a sales chatbot. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser. Next, go to groundfloor.co. Enter your login credentials. Your credentials will be sent to you via email. From the left-hand menu, navigate to the Sale Admin page under Sale. So you can create an agent from the Launch Wizard or the New Agent option from the AI Agent dashboard. Let's create a agent from the Launch Wizard model. At first, you have to give the name of the agent and its description and its relevant content too, and you have to upload. So let's give a name. Let's give a description. So we have to upload a content. Here we can upload common type of content like frequently asked questions, user manuals, knowledge base articles, etc. Today we will upload a user manual which is related to sale and also an FAQ. So we cannot upload any document which exceeds the file limit 5 MB. Let's upload another file. Let's create an agent. The system will take few moments to create your agent. So the agent is already created. Let's make it online. From the agent option, you have to toggle the agent status to live mode. So let's check what is inside an agent. Search the agent from the AI agent. From here we can create a new skill. We already have a skill. Let's view the skill. We can see the uploaded document from here. We can also create intent. So we can create an intent to define how the chatbot understands and responds to user inputs. An intent in a chatbot refers to what the user wants to do or ask. For example, when you type book a flight to New York, the chatbot understands your intent is to book a flight. So let's create a demo intent. We have questions, responses, options, notification under an intent. Let's create a question for that intent. Let's also create a response for that question. So if you want your agent to show any extra message, you can add a second instance from here. So an intent is created. We can also fine-tune our chatbot's behavior. Let's go to our agent dashboard. Check the agent again. Let's check the advanced options to fine-tune your chatbot's behavior. Here we have greetings, options, apologies, appearance, etc. Greetings are for welcoming the user. Options to provide selectable choices, and apologies for handling errors or misunderstanding. So we already have greetings and apologies from the system. So we can add options here. To add an option, we have to create an option same like as the question. Our question was, when is your flight? So we can use this question as the selectable choices. We can also collect the contact information from the user. So we can set the option as the contact collection will be triggered before escalation, or the contact collection will be triggered at first request. If we set it as before escalation, if the user asks for the live agent, the chatbot will ask the user information from the user. If the type, can I talk to a live agent? If we select at first request, the chatbot will ask the user information when they start interacting with the chatbot. Okay, so let's preview the chatbot. If we go to chat page, in the bottom right corner we can see preview the agent in public mode. Let's click on this. Let's click on the link. We can see the hard-coded greeting message from the system, and also the option which was set by me. Let's click on the option. The system will show the answer which I set in the intent. The first line was on 3rd March 2025 and the second line was after evening. Now we can also ask relevant question from the document. Let's check the document or uploaded content. Let's preview the content from here. Let's ask the same question from the document. The chatbot will find same question from the document and fetch the answer from the document and show it to you. Now we can ask for a live agent by typing, "Can I talk to a live agent?" Now the chatbot will collect my information from me. Let's give my information from here. The chatbot is showing that the live agent has been notified. I can reply to the live agent account. To access the live agent account, let's open another browser. Go to groundfloor.co. Let's access the live agent account. Your live agent credentials will be sent to you. So here you can see our agent here. If you click on live agent, we can see the messages from the user. We have an open request from sale. So we can see the previous messages from the user and the chatbot, and we can also respond to the user. You can also check the live agent's response by using the user's account. Yes, we can see the message from the chatbot. So that was all about the sale chatbot. Thank you for watching.